Hi, I'm Shin Yang. I'm a student in UPenn's MSDRS program. I founded Rab Lab with Ryan and Austin last September. Rab Lab develops our own computational design and robotic fabrication system for prefab housing units that are made of sustainable materials. Our mission is to achieve easy build anywhere. US single and multifamily housing markets together are around $5 trillion, and our target market size in Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, and California is over $20 billion. Nowadays, housing prices are rising dramatically with higher labor and material costs. Our 3D printing techniques are essential. We build sustainable prefab units with robots to decrease 30% of the construction cost and time for our end user, including real estate developer and construction groups in the US. There are two major areas we need to research: material and robotic fabrication system that includes both hardware and software development. Conventional materials like on-site casting or prefab concrete have multiple disadvantages compared to our 3D printed concrete. After running through many experiments of cement mixtures and testify their structural performance and fabrication process, we developed some specific cement additives to add to the mixture for better tensile resistance and moment strength. Despite the chemical additive innovation, we also developed our revolutionized in-process reinforcement 3D printing technology. By designing the new and factor and plumbing system with collaborative robots, reinforcement members such as rebars or fibers are able to print it along with the concrete printing process. We are able to increase almost 3 times of the lateral load resistance and moment strength compared to all the 3D printing concrete behaviors on the market.
With innovative 3D printing concrete, we can reduce production and casting mass. This makes the prefabrication faster and cheaper since no mold is needed. We can have a time-wise, material-wise, and high-strength prefab building panel.
With years of on-site construction management experience in our founding team, we knew that this industry needed a revolution and embraced robotics construction ASAP. Looking over the field, there's no one who has truly been able to accelerate the 3D printing time and reduce the cost, meanwhile maintaining the same construction quality. To do this, we developed our own computational design and robotic fabrication system for prefab housing units with embedded structure sensors to track the housing condition.
We control the construction process, making it faster and more carbon neutral. The prefab components and units will be produced by robotic arms and 3D printed concrete in the factories. I think that as a method of automated production and prefabrication speeds up the construction while minimizing labor use. We're developing our first prototype, which will launch on the market in 2023 and reach our break-even in 2025.
We hope to validate our latest prototype with more potential customers and develop our advantage in the next step. We are ready to embrace the challenges and enjoy the joy of doing entrepreneurship.